Here's how to delete all of the saved wallpapers on your iPhone fast. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Wallpaper Settings. Here, you'll see all the wallpapers you've created or saved over time. You can swipe through them to view each one. However, you can't delete wallpapers directly from the Settings app. Instead, exit the Settings app and open the lock screen by swiping down from the left side of the screen. Now, tap and hold anywhere on the lock screen until the wallpaper gallery appears. Swipe through your saved wallpapers until you find the one you want to remove, and swipe up on the wallpaper. Then tap on the trash icon. Confirm the deletion of the wallpaper. Now repeat the same steps for all the other wallpapers you want to remove. If you want to delete the wallpaper you're currently using, you'll first need to create a new one. Tap on the plus button to add a new wallpaper. Choose the wallpaper you'd like to use. Make any customizations to the wallpaper. Then tap on Add in the top right corner and set it as your new wallpaper. Once it's active, return to the wallpaper gallery. Swipe up on your previous wallpaper and delete it. All your old wallpapers are now deleted and the new wallpaper is added to the lock and home screen.